morning everybody, we're just doing okay. It's Pete the Monkey Thrifter here, and I've got a bit of a different video for you today. What do you think to do with gigs? The dark when it gets sunny. And I'm down in the office today, and the reason I'm down in the office is I'm going to do a repair job. I don't normally do repair jobs. I'll leave that up to people like Lee, Fix It for Reselling. So I'll just flick you around and I'll show you what we're going to be repairing. It's this, the Easy Pro, JFJ Easy Pro. And for those who don't know what it is, I think most people do, but if you just go across this channel and you know what it is, it's a disc resurfacer. So if you've got CDs, DVDs and the scratch, that's an example. If they're all scratched like that, you can rebuffer them up to look like that. And what you've got inside, you've got this spinning disc here, and you can put if they're really badly scratched, you can put like a sanding pad on there, and it just takes a little layer of the plastic coating of the CD or DVD. You put your CD face down onto this, goes onto there. When you've done that, you take that pad off and replace it with a buffering pad, and you put some solution cream on it and it buffers it up. A bit like with when you're doing car body work and things like that. If you have a look here, that's all the stuff that's flown off and stuck onto it. That needs a bit of a clean out. So what was wrong with it? What's wrong? Unfortunately, I've had this about 2 or 3 years and it's broken. As you can see, it's broken there, and there's a spring there, and it's broken on there as well. So it all needs replacing. Now you can get certain parts for it, but I've had to get the full kit, and it's cost me, including postage from America, it's cost me about £60, and they just come in a bubble now like this, all the way from America. So we'll just take it out. So we're going to replace the whole lot, the lid and everything. Okay, right. I'll just switch it off and take this off, and let's get it mounted up at a different angle. Right, so there are some instructions, and what we've got to do is we've got to take these pins out from there. So right, so that's it. Give it a bit of a bang, and they should just come out. This one. Why is this one a bit more difficult than the other? Because that's the way it is. Actually, these pliers aren't right good either. I should use some proper ones, but I don't know where they are. Should be like that. That's it, got the grip. Right, so we take the lid off. Obviously, dispose of that somehow. I wonder if you can sell, because the lid's alright. Just that there. I don't know. Right, I'm going to put you on pause again because I'm going to give it a clean out. Yeah, so I've just cleaned it out there. Looks a lot better. Right, now to replace the lid, which is just basically opposite of what we've just done. You get 2 new pins, or what the let's go on. Let's shut them, know what's going to be. Right, and then they should just slot in. screwball. I don't know when it happened either. I think he's at home. Well, I said earlier on about, yeah, to do DVDs and CDs, Blu-rays are a little bit of different format, and you can't resurface them. You can buffer them up, just get resurface them. Come on, you sod, get in. I bet all you people out there that are doing fix-it videos are going, what are you using that for? Why don't you use a hammer? Right, there it goes. Right, what I'll do now is I'll plug it in and show you it works. Right, so we'll just get a buffering pad. So if we have a PlayStation 2 game, I don't think much about it. It's probably going to cost me. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a few scratches on it and some marks and that, if that's coming out or not. And what we do is, we'll go across there. We attach. Take this off. Oh, it's got a little protective paper over the top of it. Right, and then we attach that to that. So you've got the plain side down. We've got the buffering pad. And we'll put that onto the turn of it there. Then we get the polishing compound. Now you only need a little bit of this stuff on. Sometimes you get more. You can see that there. Okay. And what we're going to do is we want to switch it on. And you've got like 10 seconds. They're usually if you just taking, you know, using the glass paper to take the coating off. And you got 20 seconds, 1 minute and 2 minutes. We'll put it on for a minute. Obviously I'm not going to stand it for a minute, but so this goes down onto the machine like that. We press 1 minute. And you can see the bottom spinning round where the pad is. So right, so it's stopped. We'll take the disc off. That moment it just all looks a bit blue. You probably can't see that. So what I need to do is get a cloth, a microfiber cloths, and we'll give it a bit of a clean. So you can't sort of see that, but yeah, so give it a clean like that. Taking the polish off. There is another part to it. Some polishing compound, some other compound, some blue stuff, that's what it's called, and it makes it nice and shiny, or shinier than what it already is, but this is fine. Give it a good clean up, and I don't know if you can see that bit. There's some very light scratches, if that. There. It's in a lot better condition. Yeah, so there we are. That's the JFJ Easy Pro. Rebuffering a computer game for PlayStation 2 gun. And it's for CDs and DVDs. Not that there's any volume in them these days, but if you've got some that are value and they've got a bit of scratches on and stuff like that, that's the machine to get. Now they're not cheap. I mean, that top bit cost me £60 including the postage. But to buy the machines, I got mine say 2 or 3 years ago, and I think it was around about £300 then. I think they're about 500 now. But you get loads of bits and bats with it and everything else. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that. Leave a comment down below if you've got one or you're considering about getting one. And don't forget to hit that like, that'd be fantastic. And please do consider subscribing, it is free. And hit that notification bell so next time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So from me, Pete the Monkey Thrifter, I wish you all the best and I'll see you very, very shortly. Bye.